6C question number 2. Formulate the following problems as a pair of equations and find their solution. Second part, 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days. 2 women and 5 men complete the work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish in 3 days. Find the time taken by one woman alone to finish the work and also that taken by one man alone. So firstly, what you have to find, that you will assume. Let time taken by one woman to finish the work is equal to x days, and let time taken by one man to finish the work is equal to y days. Now see carefully, very important question. Now if one woman finish the work in x days, that means in one day she do 1 by x work, and if one man complete the work, finish the work in y days, that means in one day he completes 1 over y work. So this you have to keep in mind. And total days are 4 days. That means in 4 days they are completing the work. Complete work they are doing in 4 days. So in one day they are doing 1/4 of the work. So because of this one day work you are taking, therefore you have to take reciprocal of all the terms. Reciprocal of x also, reciprocal of y also, reciprocal of number of days also. This you have to keep in mind. Now time taken by one woman to finish the work is x day. So 1 day work of one woman will be 1 over x, because full work you are considering 1. So 1 day work for one woman will be 1 over x. Same way 1 day work for one man will be 1 over y. Now 1 day work will be 1/4 of the total work. Therefore according to question, how many women are required? First case 2. So 2 over the work, 1 day work of one woman will be 2 over x, plus man 5 required, so 5 over y is equal to, now I told you why you are taking here 1 by 4, because in 4 days they are completing full work. So 1 day work is 1 by 4. These also 1 day, so these also you have to, this also you have to take 1 day. Therefore you are taking reciprocal of 4 also. Now this is first equation, suppose. Now second equation, in second equation 3 women, so 3 over x plus 6 men, so 6 over y can finish in 3 days. Similarly 1 by 3 will come as you have taken in first case. So these two equations you got. You write up to here, then I will rub and solve further. Now this is first equation, this is second equation. You have to reduce them to linear equations and then you have to solve as you have done in question number first of exercise 3.6. If you want that videos, you can subscribe my channel Math Helper and you will get it. So for reducing them, you will assume 1 over x as a and 1 over y as b, and you will put in first and second equation. You will get 2a plus 5b is equal to 1 by 4, and this equation you will get 3a plus 6b is equal to 1 by 3. Now you want to solve it. So I am doing cross multiply firstly to simplify it. 4 multiplied by 2a plus 5b is equal to 1. You will get 8a plus 20b is equal to 1. And this equation also 3 into 3a plus 6b is equal to 1. You will get 9a plus 18b is equal to 1. Now this is suppose third equation, this is fourth equation. Now you have to solve it by equating the coefficient. Coefficient of a here is 8, here 9. So I am using elimination method. For that you have to multiply equation 3 by 9 and equation 4 by 8. You will get 9 into 8a, 9 8 is 72, so 72a plus 180b is equal to 9. And another equation by 8, so 72a, 9 into 8 72a plus 18 into 8b, 18 into 8, 8 8 is 64, 8 1 is 8 plus 6 144, so 144b is equal to 8. Okay, so up to here you note down, then I will rub and solve further. Now you got these two equations. Now you will subtract it, because the coefficient of a is same and sign is also same, so you have to subtract. 72a minus 72a 0, so you can cancel. 180 minus 144, you will get 36, b, and 9 minus 8 1, so b you will get 1 over 36. Now put b is equal to 1 over 36 in this equation. You will get 72a plus 180 into 1 over 36, because b value is 1 over 36, 9. Now 36 5s are 180, so 72a is equal to, plus 5 will go that side, it will become minus 5, 4. 72a is equal to 4, so a will come 4 over 72. When you will cut, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 2, 6 are 12, 2 1s are 2, and 2 80s are 36. A will come 1 over 18. Now a came 1 over 18 and b came 1 over 36. Now you took 1 over x is equal to 1 over a, so 1 over x came equal to 1 over a is 18, so x came 18, and 1 over y you took 1 over b, so 1 over y, 1 over b came 1 over 36, so y came 36. Now y you took for men and x you took for women, so you have to write here also time taken by one woman to finish work is equal to, x means 18 days and time taken by one man to finish the work you took y, so 36 days. Thank you.